Thank you to Chalktastic for sending me these professional chalk markers. My kids love their chalk markers and I am so used to only using white, so I'm excited to try out different colors. You can use these on glass, mirrors, plastics, chalkboard, windows, and so much more. I'm going to test these out on chalkboard, whiteboard, and glass for you today so you can see how these look on those different surfaces. But I'm also going to give you 2 more ways to use these chalk markers that no one talks about. This pack comes with a few extra tips. In order to get the best glide, you'll want to shake the marker first and then apply. Look how smooth that's just writing on the chalkboard. These are thicker markers, so they're easy to grip, both for adults and kids. Most importantly, these are water-based and non-toxic, which is also important for us moms. And if you don't like this tip, it is reversible, so you can also change its side. Again, look how clear that shows up on whiteboard, and for comparison, let me use a dry erase marker so you can just see the difference. Now let's write on glass. I like that it doesn't smudge when you touch it, but when you wash it, it comes off no problem. This is great for parties when you need to assign everyone their own glass. But 2 hacks that no one talks about is using chalk markers on rocks and also using them while you're sewing clothes. These are great for adding colors onto rocks. Kids love it. And when you need to mark up some clothes for that perfect stitch or cut, these are so useful for that. You really can't go wrong with these markers. There are just so many ways to use them.